Hey all, today we will be learning this beautiful karate square. Let's go. Start with the magic ring. Once you are done with the magic ring, just make chain 2 and 2 double crochet and repeat 3 more times. Now make slip stitch to top of the beginning chain. Now we have completed first round. Fasten off and hide the yarn. And now join yarn in any color as you wish. And make 3 chains, 2 double crochet, 3 chains, 3 double crochet. And a chain, again 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet again. You will have to repeat this in each corner. stitch to top of the starting chain and pass along and change the color of the yarn. Now we have completed 2 rounds. For third round we are going to work in this space. Attach another color yarn. After joining the yarn, we'll have to make 3 chain, 2 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Now make a single chain and 3 double crochet in the middle space. And in the rest of the 3 corners we'll have to make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Repeat all around. finally slip stitch to join. Again, fasten off and change the color. Now we have completed third round. For fourth round, join yarn in any color as you wish. Again, chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. And in the side space, make 3 double crochet between the clusters. And continue around, working 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet into all the corners and 3 double crochet into side spaces followed by a chain, and finally slip stitch to join. And you can keep adding rounds using the same methods. Here it is, we have made this beautiful granny square. I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.